Paul Collar is with us today. Paul, looks like we have a chance for snow tonight, huh?
We have a clipper coming in. How about that?
Great.
So if you like the white stuff, we've got just the thing for you tonight. Let's take a look at our statistics for Tuesday, November 26th. And our high temperature was 33, the low 13, normals 40 and 26, the record 67 in 1993 and 1977. Eau Claire this morning, -6. That, by the way, is the nation's low at this point. Mukwonago 7, Pewaukee 9. Doppler 4 is showing some light snow over southern Wisconsin. The heaviest snow extends from near Wausau over to La Crosse and into northern Iowa. Now the Midwest radar will give the bigger picture of what's going on. And we can see we've got snow over parts of southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and there is a band of freezing rain from around Waterloo over to near Spencer. It's all moving to the east-northeast at about 25 miles an hour. And now, if we can go back to this morning, the projection that we made was for 2 to 5 inches of snow across parts of central Wisconsin, 1 to 3 on either side. Now, there might be some freezing rain mixed in with this that would cut down our snowfall amounts here in southern Wisconsin. Now, let's go back and look at the satellite loop and watch the fast movement of the clipper. And that's the thing, these are fast movers. They dump the snow and move on. And you can see just at the end there is a bit of a circulation that develops here in Iowa. That's the center of some upper level energy. The main low, however, is in west central Minnesota. And there's the clipper, and it's going to move very quickly, dump the snow, and get out of here. Our forecast map for tomorrow will show that the clipper is going to move to the eastern part of the country. But in the meantime, we'll have high pressure controlling our weather. The snow will end in the morning, but how about some more snow coming up for late Thursday and into Friday? Our forecast temperatures for tomorrow is going to show it's not going to be bad. Pretty seasonal, 30s, 40s. How about some 80s around Green Valley, Arizona? Around the area right now we have tonight, snow advisory, 1 to 4 inches of snow, some freezing rain at times, steady temperatures in the low 30s, south winds 10 to 20. For tomorrow, light snow ending in the morning, partial clearing during the afternoon, highs near 37. West winds 10 to 20. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, lows 20 to 25. Thursday, chance of light snow developing, highs near 38. Looking ahead, that new system coming in on the west coast might give us some problems. Friday and Saturday, we'll keep you posted on that. But in the short term, we've got our snow in the area tonight. Be careful if you're out there driving. We have an advisory.
How about the morning for people coming to work?
In the morning, it might be slippery, but by the afternoon and evening hours, things should improve.
Thank you, Paul.
Okay.
Sterling performance. Paul Collar is with us this evening. Paul, it looks like it might snow out there.
Some snow, but this is not good snowball snow.
Really?
Because it's out of the northwest, and generally these snows are drier. There's not as much moisture with it.
I know.
So if you want to go out and have a snowball fight later, we're just going to end up with grain in our hands. So
sorry to hear that.
Oh well. Well, let's take a look at right now what we have for you on the statistics for today. We have a high of 33, our low 13. The normals 40 and 26, the records 67 in 1990, and 3 back in 1977. Eau Claire, they get the overnight nation's low, 6 below 0. Mukwonago 7, Pewaukee at 9. Let's take a gander at Doppler 4, and you can see an area of snow has moved out over Lake Michigan. There's other areas of snow. Kind of an interesting little swirl here, nothing too significant, but there is going to be more of this snow moving in. The Midwest radar is going to demonstrate that we have a lot of... Oh, here's...
I see what's happening. We didn't reset the computer. Paul Collar is with us today. Paul, it's getting a little gray out there. We're going to get some snow?
We're going to get some snow, and I know why you're saying that, because you want to go out and give me a face wash.
Sure.
Yeah. Well, this stuff is not good snowball snow. It's very dry. The system's coming out of the northwest, and these tend to produce drier snows. Our high temperature today, 33. Overnight low 13. Normals 40 and 26. Records 67 and 3. Eau Claire, the nation's overnight low temperature 6 below. Mukwonago this morning 7, Pewaukee 9. That snow that we are talking about, it shows up well on Doppler 4. We've got an area of snow over Lake Michigan. More snow will be coming in, and the Midwest radar will show that that snow is developing over parts of Minnesota where 1 to 2 inches of snow have already fallen. Band of freezing rain in northern Iowa and all rain to the south. Let's go back and take a look at our snowfall potential, and you can see that we're expecting 2 to 5 inches of snow across the central sections, 1 to 3 inches on either side. We're going to watch this carefully because some freezing rain might work in, and that would cut down our snowfall potential. We'll keep an eye on that for you carefully. Back to this morning, the fast-moving clipper was just whistling across the Midwest, And that's the nature of the name. It's a clipper. It moves on, dumps its snow, and moves east. Towards the end, you can kind of see a circulation here, but the main center of the low is actually in west central Minnesota with the clipper. And you can see there's a bit of a front that extends back to the Rockies, a warm front here, that warm air overriding the freezing rain at the surface. And as a result, this clipper will move east, and by tomorrow, that clipper will be well to the east. In fact, we're expecting it to be around Buffalo, dump some snow and rain out there. High pressure will take control in our area. In the meantime, we'll watch a developing low out in the western part of the country that could affect us sometime later in the week. Temperatures for tomorrow, not too bad. There's no big cold air coming in here after this thing. Some 20s in Minnesota, Nebraska, as well as North Dakota. 80s to the southwest. Right now we have 33 at News Channel 4 in Mitchell, Waukesha 26, dew point 21, humidity 61%, wind south 12, gusting to 22. Barometric pressure is falling. We have that snow advisory for tonight, 1 to 4 inches of snow, some freezing rain at times, steady temperatures in the low 30s. Tomorrow we'll show light snow ending in the morning, partial clearing during the afternoon, highs near 37. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, lows 20 to 25. The outlook for Thursday becoming cloudy with a chance of light snow developing, highs near 38. Looking ahead, that storm that I showed you out on the west coast might be affecting us for Friday into early Saturday. We will keep you posted on that. It's a little too early to tell how that might affect our weather, but in the meantime, we'll deal with the clipper. So get out your broom and shovel and
you can just sort of brush it away,
just
right?
brush it away.
Okay, thanks a lot,
Sure.
Paul.